Friend, you've always been so good to me. You never let me down or left me alone. But lately there's been something in me sinking. I'm learning things I never wanted to know. I've been listening to voices on the internet. I've gone walking the streets to see what's out there to see. And this town's a hollow hole where nothing grows. Feels that's the only truth waiting for me. But I know in my heart of hearts, and I know in my heart of hearts, that the love I have for you didn't come from nowhere. See, I've come to fear the black youth. Come to fear the Muslims talking on the train. And I've come to fear what I might do if I can't stop this fear from running the reins. But I know in my heart of hearts, and I know in my heart of hearts, that the love I have for you didn't come from nowhere. I dropped something to make my worries smile. I stood in the middle of a sonic ray. I talked to the wrong man's girl. I should have walked while I could. I guess something in me needed a little pain. But I know in my heart of hearts, and I know in my heart of hearts, that the love I have for you didn't come from nowhere. No, the love I have for you could not have come from nowhere. About the future, and I've gone reading the holy books. The hour we stand before the Master, oh, it's starting to seem like it's gonna be him or us. But